As you settle into a comfortable position, take a moment to feel the weight of your body sinking softly into stillness. You are safe. You are calm. You are exactly where you need to be. Around you, the world begins to fade into a gentle quiet, the kind of quiet that lives deep inside the night sky. Above our heads, beyond the atmosphere that protects and nourishes us, lies an endless ocean of darkness, but it is not an empty darkness. It is a darkness filled with ancient light that has traveled across unimaginable distances just to reach this moment with you. Tonight, we use that cosmic calm to guide our mind into a deeper state of rest. For thousands of years, humans lifted their eyes to the stars for comfort. They found meaning in the slow drift of constellations, hope in the rise of the sun each morning, and peace in the rhythm of the night. You are about to follow that same ancient path, a journey not across the land, but across the universe itself. Take a slow breath in, feel your lungs expand gently, and let it out even more slowly. With every breath, the noise of the day drifts farther away. Thoughts soften, muscles loosen, the space around you becomes wider, like the sky opening above you. Imagine your mind rising upward, passing through the roof of your room, through the cool night air, and into the vast cosmic sea. Here, the stars glow softly, not sharp or blinding, but warm, comforting, patient. Their light is older than Earth. Some stars you see were shining before the first tree grew, before the first ocean formed, before the first human ever walked the earth. Let that thought relax your mind. Let time stretch out around you like a gentle horizon with no edges. Every star is a lantern of memory, every galaxy a library of ancient stories, and tonight, the universe invites you to drift among them. Take another deep breath, slowly, softly, like you're inhaling the calm of space itself. Now imagine floating in silence, a silence so deep and peaceful that even your heartbeat feels like part of the cosmic rhythm. There is no rush here, no stress, no demands, just the soft glow of distant suns, the quiet drift of cosmic dust, and the gentle pull of the universe guiding you deeper into rest. As you float through this serene cosmic landscape, you begin to sense something subtle, a slow rotation beneath you. It's Earth, turning steadily, gracefully, carrying you through the night. We rarely notice it, but our planet spins at incredible speed, faster than any airplane, yet its motion feels like stillness. This quiet motion creates the rhythm of day and night, the cycle of seasons, the balance that keeps life stable. You are part of that rhythm, always moving, yet always held. Let that feeling ground you. Let it slow your thoughts. Let it soften everything inside you. With every passing moment, your mind sinks deeper into comfort, like drifting into the soft gravity of sleep. Now the stars begin to brighten, not harshly, but like gentle lanterns guiding you forward. You begin to sense your journey extending, beyond the moon, beyond the calm atmosphere, out into the ocean of galaxies. Each point of light becomes a reminder that the universe is vast enough to hold all your worries, and quiet enough to dissolve them. You are safe. You are calm. You are drifting deeper. The universe is opening for you, and this journey has just begun. As you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, allow your mind to expand gently, opening into a sense of wonder and calm. Now we drift into one of the most humbling truths known to science, the sheer, unimaginable scale of the universe. It begins with Earth, our home, a tiny blue sphere suspended in a sea of darkness. From space, Earth looks peaceful, silent swirling clouds, deep oceans, continents glowing with the faint lights of cities. But in the vastness of the cosmos, Earth is almost nothing. If Earth were the size of a single grain of sand, the entire observable universe would be larger than all the beaches on our planet combined. Try to imagine all the coastlines of Earth, every beach, every desert dune, every handful of sand you've ever seen. Multiply that by millions. Only then do you begin to approach the immense scale of the universe beyond our skies. Light itself, the fastest thing we know, struggles to cross these distances. Light moves at 300,000 kilometers every second, fast enough to circle Earth 7 times in a single heartbeat. And yet, the light from our sun, though only 150 million kilometers away, takes 8 whole minutes to reach us. If the sun suddenly disappeared, we would continue to see daylight for 8 minutes more. The universe is so large that even light cannot escape its scale. Now allow your awareness to drift outward, past the moon, past the solar wind sweeping through space, past the planets we know so well. Imagine Jupiter, enormous and swirling. Imagine Saturn, its rings stretching like cosmic artwork. Then drift farther and farther, until the entire solar system is no larger than a tiny glowing disk. And yet, even this massive system is barely a speck within the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way is a swirling island of stars, about 400 billion suns, each with planets, moons, asteroids, and comets of its own. If you were to travel from one side of the Milky Way to the other at the speed of light, it would take 100,000 years. Not human years, not lifetimes, but 100,000 years moving at the speed of light. And still, even this colossal galaxy is just one among trillions. Every direction you look, every patch of sky, holds countless galaxies, each one containing millions or billions of stars. The universe is not merely big, it is too vast for the human mind to truly grasp. Scientists measure cosmic distances, using astronomical units, light years, and parsecs, because kilometers simply cannot contain the magnitude of the cosmos. The nearest star beyond the Sun, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. That means the light you see from it tonight began its journey before you even knew this video existed. Now breathe slowly, and let your awareness expand even more, beyond our galaxy, into the realm of galactic clusters. Clusters of galaxies stretch across space like shimmering cosmic islands. These clusters merge into superclusters, the largest known structures in the universe. And when scientists map these superclusters, they find that the universe forms a massive cosmic web, thin glowing filaments spanning hundreds of millions of light years. Between these filaments lie vast cosmic voids, regions so empty that they contain fewer atoms than a cubic meter of interstellar space. In this enormous web of galaxies, our entire Milky Way, our entire solar system, our entire history, is just one delicate thread. Now gently imagine yourself floating outside it all, watching galaxies drift like snowflakes across the silence of cosmic night. Imagine feeling weightless, calm, wrapped in stillness. The universe is not chaotic. It is not random. It is a grand structure of unimaginable size following laws written billions of years ago. Everything you have ever known, every life, every moment, exists on a single tiny world within an ocean so vast that even our imagination struggles to contain it. And yet, in this vastness, there is peace. The universe moves slowly, gently, patiently. It has existed for nearly 14 billion years, and will continue long after we are gone. Our place in it is small, but meaningful. We are observers, at the edge of an infinite cosmic stage. As you breathe in, feel the enormity of the cosmos above you. As you breathe out, let go of tension. Let the scale of the universe bring perspective and calm. Let the stars remind you of how precious and breathtaking existence truly is. In the quiet of space, you are safe. You are small, but you belong to something vast and beautiful. The universe is large, but tonight, it welcomes you into its stillness. As you continue to relax, let your breathing become soft and effortless, and imagine the universe unfolding gently before you. The cosmos is not random. It is built upon patterns, structures, and laws that operate with absolute consistency. Even in the quiet darkness of the night sky, the universe is always organizing itself, reshaping itself, and balancing forces so perfectly that galaxies can drift for billions of years without falling apart. In this chapter, we will explore this hidden framework, the deep structure that holds everything together from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy cluster. Let your mind drift with the words. No need to focus too hard, just listen, and allow these gentle ideas to guide you into even deeper calm. Star gravity, the silent sculptor. It begins with gravity, a gentle force, yet the most influential architect in the universe. Gravity shapes planets, forms stars, creates galaxies, and holds everything together in a grand cosmic dance. You experience gravity every second of your life, keeping you grounded, steady, connected to Earth. But out in space, gravity is the glue of existence. Tiny grains of dust drifting through a nebula slowly come together because of it. Over millions of years, those grains merge into rocks, those rocks merge into planets, and from planets come worlds where oceans, atmospheres, and life can emerge. You can picture gravity as a gentle, invisible hand gathering cosmic material and shaping it with incredible patience. Let that image ease your thoughts, as if gravity is gathering the loose pieces of your mind and helping them settle into calm. Star electromagnetism, the energy of light. Now imagine another force, electromagnetism. This is the force that gives us light, electricity, radiation, and nearly everything we can see or feel. Every star in the sky shines because of electromagnetic energy. The glow of a nebula, the heat of the sun, the silent pulse of distant galaxies, all of it is the work of electromagnetism. Inside your own body, electromagnetic impulses travel through your nerves, carrying thoughts, memories, and sensations. As you listen, your brain is quietly firing tiny electrical signals that help form images of the universe. Isn't it calming to realize that the same energy that powers the stars also powers your mind? Star, the strong force, the cosmic anchor. Deeper still, inside every atom, there is a force so strong it binds the universe at the smallest scale. Scientists call it the strong nuclear force. Imagine a force so powerful that it locks protons and neutrons together with nearly unbreakable strength. Without this force, atoms would fall apart, matter would crumble, and the universe would dissolve into chaos. But instead, this small and silent force anchors everything you see, from mountains and oceans to your body, your thoughts, your dreams. As you breathe gently, you can imagine this force keeping your own inner world stable and safe. Star, the weak force, the slow transformer. There is another subtle force, much gentler than the others, the weak nuclear force. This quiet force controls radioactive decay, allowing particles to transform from one type into another. It is responsible for the creation of elements inside stars, and for the processes that warm the early universe. Think of it as the slow, patient transformer of matter, working silently across billions of years to shape the chemistry of life. As you rest, you can imagine this force as a gentle flow of change, reminding you that transformation is a natural part of existence. Star, the cosmic web, the universe's skeleton. On the largest scale imaginable, the universe forms a breathtaking pattern known as the cosmic web. It stretches across billions of light years, creating vast filaments of galaxies separated by enormous empty voids. If you could see it from above, it would look like glowing threads of light interconnected across the darkness, a structure so massive and so delicate that it almost resembles a neural network. Galaxies gather along these threads like beads on a cosmic string. They drift and rotate in perfect balance. Imagining this vast network can bring a sense of deep calm, like the universe itself is breathing slowly, expanding, and resting. Let that calmness wash over you.